Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a very simple rice dish. One pot, that's all you're going to need. I'm going to put some chicken in there, some rice, some capsicum, healthy vegetables. If you want to keep this vegetarian, just eliminate the chicken. It's absolutely fine. Come on guys, let's get cooking and I'll show you how to make it. And as always, here are a list of the ingredients that you're going to need. Now there's quite a few of them. You may want to pause the video to write them down, but let's get started. Into a medium-sized skillet, you want to add a couple of tablespoons of olive oil and then start frying off your onions and carrot. This will take a couple of minutes. Time to add your chicken, fresh garlic, the fresh ginger, and just season it with a little bit of salt and pepper. And in no particular order, it's now time to add all the dry spices and herbs on your list. And then just give it a gentle stir once all the spices are on. You can then add the rice on top of the chicken, followed by the vegetable stock. Just give it a gentle shake so that the rice is equally distributed. I have already added the 200 grams of roasted capsicum and I've just sprinkled them around. And now I'm going to add my thyme. This is dried thyme. You can use fresh thyme if you like. I didn't have any on hand. And once this is all together, we're going to place a lid on the top and simmer this now for about 25 to 30 minutes, and then remove the lid and simmer again for a further 10 minutes. Now in this 10-minute cooking process, what we're trying to do is reduce the stock down to almost nothing. Then we'll turn the heat off, let it sit for 5 minutes, and then it's ready to serve. Before that, we will garnish it with a little bit of mint. You can use some lovely green parsley or anything else you like. Thank you for joining me on my channel. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. Give it a thumbs up, it really does help the channel. And I will see you on my next recipe, which is coming next week. Take care, have a great week, bye for now.